Here are some common HTML interview questions that you may encounter. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language used to create and display web pages on the Internet. What is the difference between HTML and HTML5? HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, and it offers several new features and improvements over previous versions, including support for multimedia elements like audio and video, improved form validation, and more semantic markup. What is a doctype in HTML? A doctype is an instruction that tells the browser what version of HTML the web page is written in. It is placed at the very beginning of an HTML document, before the HTML tag. What is the difference between a div and a span? A div is a block-level element used to group together and apply styles to a set of HTML elements, while a span is an inline element used to apply styles to a specific piece of text or content within a block-level element. What is the purpose of the alt attribute in an image tag? The alt attribute provides alternative text that is displayed in place of an image if the image fails to load, or if the user is visually impaired and is using a screen reader to access the page. It also improves accessibility and SEO. What is the purpose of the ref attribute in an anchor tag? The ref attribute is used to specify the URL of the page or file that the anchor link should lead to when clicked. What are some of the new features in HTML5? HTML5 introduces several new features, including new semantic tags like article, section, and header, support for multimedia elements like audio and video, new form input types like date and time, and new APIs for web applications, like the geolocation API and the Canvas API. What is the difference between a class and an ID? Both classes and IDs are used to apply styles to HTML elements. However, IDs are unique to a specific element on the page, while classes can be applied to multiple elements. In addition, only one ID can be used per element, while multiple classes can be applied to a single element. What is the purpose of the meta tag in HTML? The meta tag is used to provide metadata about the HTML document, such as the page title, author, description, and keywords. It is also used to specify other information that is important for search engines and social media, such as the page language, character set, and viewport settings. What is the difference between a GET request and a POST request? A GET request is used to retrieve data from a server, while a POST request is used to send data to a server to be processed or stored. GET requests have length limitations and should not be used for sensitive data, while POST requests can handle larger amounts of data and are more secure.